Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to guide you that how you can set up Google Authenticator on Binance. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Binance application. Once you go to your Binance application, you will see this interface first. And from here, you need to choose your profile. So once you tap on your profile, from here, you need to tap on your profile again to access Account Center. From here, you need to tap on Security. So once you tap on Security, just under Passkey, you will find the Authenticator app. You need to tap on that. And here, they say that you need to enable the Authenticator app. So all you need to do is to tap on the Enable option, and it will bring you here. If you have a passkey, they will ask to verify yourself first. So you need to verify your fingerprints. And once you do so, here the first step is that they say that copy the 16-digit key, or you can scan the QR code on the Authenticator app as well. So I will go with the code. I will copy the code. The next step is that you need to go to the Google Authenticator on your device. You need to open the Google Authenticator, then tap on the plus sign. And here you need to enter setup key. You choose that. Here you can choose to name it. I will name it Binance. And then you need to paste that key here. And you need to tap on Add. So once you tap on Add, the next thing you need to do is now to copy this 6 digits code for Binance and go back and tap on Next here and paste the 6 digits key here, and then tap on Submit. So once you tap on Submit, now as you can see, the Authenticator verification app has been added to your Binance account. So guys, this is all it takes to, I will refresh this one as well. I will go back and to the security to show you. Now, as you can see, the Authenticator app has been set up for the Binance account. So guys, this is all it takes to enable the Google Authenticator app on your Binance account. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.